Hello and welcome to Iconestry. Today's video is about the Origins Bestsellers Skincare Kit Travel Size. This first part is the unboxing. Stay with me for the full review on each product. This brand stands for natural ingredients. I really wanted to try this kit as I saw very good reviews on it. In the pouch you have a treatment lotion, moisturizer, a face wash, this is a mask, and finally you have the serum. The first product that I tried is the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. You can see that the texture of this face wash is a little bit soapy and a little bit frothy at the same time. I liked using this face wash because the smell is very minty and it also thoroughly refreshes your skin. The second product is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. You can see it's a water. It kind of tones the skin. The smell of this lotion is kind of surprising. It does smell very herbal, strong smell and soothing. The next product is Plantscription Multipowered Youth Serum. The texture of this serum is a gel and it feels very nice on the skin. The smell of this serum is much more subtle and it does smell a little bit herbal as well. I really enjoyed the serum. This product is the Oilfree Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This cream is with ginseng and it smells like orange. You can apply it in the morning and in the evening. This cream is a light cream. It's very energizing. You can see it leaves a matte finish. The last product is the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. You can use this mask once a week. You apply it on the skin and let it dry. What this mask does is that it clears out your skin and leaves your face very smooth. After using this treatment, your face definitely feels younger and smoother. Overall, I really appreciated all of these Origin products. My favorite products out of all of them are the serum and the charcoal mask. Products feel like a spa treatment while you're traveling or at home. This review is part of 3 reviews on travel skincare kits. Check out the Tatcha Dewy skincare kit review and the Ordinary skincare kit review for travel on your carry-on. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.